Hello everyone, so we're here from this last round from this one in this analyze of these games here in Sherham Masters 2025. So it means last round from this last round number 9 from this one. So it means after finishing round number 8, so the next round, final rounds, round number 9 from this one. So it means, so so the time clocks within 1 hour and 13 minutes from these chess clocks from this round robins from this one. So this is a last round from this one. So it means English speaking voices only. So it means we need to speak English. So it means we have to vernacular from this one. So we need to speak English. So today's last round from round number 9 and also between from this Grandmaster in Netherlands is Anish Giri versus the Grandmaster in India is Aditya Mittal from this one. So it means these are the little boys, or it means little boys here, or maybe without little boys from this one. So it means just kidding here for this one. So in today's last round here, round number 9, it is part of this video. We have analyzed here of these chess games in this last round Sherham Masters. So white plays Giri is knight f3, knight f6 Aditya, e3 is called white system ready opening, and also d5, bishop e2, and also c5. So it means without c5 here. So it means so these are the main line is used by here by g6 or maybe here by e6. So it means without coming without bishop, without develops by white system here from this one. So it means without white system. So it means c5 by Aditya. So it means these are the development without doubles by pawns, and also d4. Knight c6 here by Aditya. So these are knight c6 here without move by determinations by connectings here by this one. Captured by sacrifice, and also e6 and a3 by Giri. So it means without Giri, so this move is no more by knight to b4 by knights by Aditya, and also a5. So for example, why don't we capture it by free pawns? So what do you think on this one? And also castle kingside here, and if you castle kingside by continuous and also b4, so it means threats by bishop and decided backwards bishop e7. Slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So let's continue here. Back there is a5 by Aditya, and also c4 without doubles by pawns, and bishop takes captured by Aditya. So it means with the idea to Aditya to castling by kingside here from this one. So it means without Giri to so it means not yet by castling. So what happened to that? So it means what happened. So it means determinations here. So knight c3 by Giri, and castling kingside by Aditya, castling kingside by Giri, and capture this pawn. Bishop takes captured, and also h6. So it means without h6 by Aditya without determinations here, and also b3 by Giri. So it means without continuations or without connecting here, and also e5, queen c2 without determinations, without controls, without developments here from this according identified from this one, and also queen e7 without movement here by Aditya, and also bishop to b2 and rook to d8 by Aditya without move precise here from this one, and knight d2, and also bishop e6 without to bishop without determinations, and also h3 without no more by knight to g4 or bishop to g4 here from this one, and also rook a c8. So it means none of this booklet is novelty by Aditya of these games. So these are the main line. Old main line here is continue capture this bishop, and also rook to d7 by coming by battery. So it means rook d7 are old main knights without good novelty precise move here from this one. So the so it means the clicking mouse here. So let's continue. The new novelty is rook ac8 without first or 8th rank from this one, and also rook fd1. So with the idea to giri to pin by rook. Determinations by connecting here from this rook here from this one, and also bishop to d6 by Aditya, and also bishop takes captured, queen takes bishop, and also knight to c4 without threats by bishop here, but without targets. Bishop backwards e7 without opening, with idea to decide to captured by rook to rooks here from this one, and knight b6 by threats by rooks, and Aditya accept rook takes here, and also knight b4 and capture this pawn. So for example, so in accept, why don't we knight takes rook from this captured here? Why you think, what you think, what you thinking from this one, from this knight takes rook, and also queen, oh, so mouse here clicking. So, and also queen takes knight. So it means queen takes knight here, and also pawn takes knight. Or pawn takes knight, and bishop to bishop bishop to pawn. Bishop takes pawn. So it means bishop takes pawn. So it means without continuations, without slightly better from these whites and blacks here from this one. So I'm sorry I got problems to accident my mouse tabs here. So it means these are the very my hands is too strong my hands here from this one. So let's go back by pawn takes captured here from this one without with idea to threats by rook. With the threats by rooks here, with the determinations here, and also queen takes knight, and also queen to f5 by giri. So it means without threats by rooks here, and also rook e8 by Aditya, knight d5 by Giri, threats by neutralized by queens, and also knight takes good move by Aditya, rook takes knight, and bishop takes captured, and queen c6 without determinations, without threats by rooks. Rook d7 without threats, threatening by check or rooks, without doubles here, without determinations. So it means without nobles, with threatening here from this one. And queen e6 by Aditya without queen to queen, and Giri accept queen takes, rook takes, and also bishop d4 by same coloring bishop. So it means opposite color bishop by blacks and whites. So it means same black opposite color. And not opposite color, but also same by coloring bishop. So it means same coloring bishop here. And rook c6 by Aditya by upcoming by check, without check here from this one, without determinations here. And also g4, rook c1 check, and king g2, and rook b1 without threat by pawns here. Rook takes captured, rook takes pawn, and rook a7 without threats by pawns, and rook a3, h4, oh no, h4 with the idea to move by g5 or threats by pawns. So it means without determinations here from this one, without connecting by targets by captured. And rook e2, king f1, and rook c2 without rook c2 here, and without determinations. And g5 captured, and also rook c1 check, and king g2, bishop c5 without bishop to bishop, and rook takes a5. So if you capture this one, if you capture this bishop here, and rook takes bishop, defense. So it means cannot captured without develops by rooks, or maybe without develops here by rooks here from this one. So back there is rook takes captured, threats by bishop, and bishop takes captured, good move, pawn takes bishop, and rook c3. So it means same by rook. So it means 3 pawns by Giri and 2 pawns by Aditya, 3 versus 2. So it means 3 versus 2 here. So f3 by Giri, Rook d3 threats by pawns, and rook d5 develops defense by pawns, king f8, and also king g3, king e7, king f4, and also rook e1 without develops here without backwards, king f5 check, and also king e5, rook e1 check, and also king f4, and rook d1, king a3 check, and also king f2, and rook d1. Oh my god, very dancing. It's called dancing move by rook. Is that correct? Oh yes, it's correct. So it means dancing move by rooks. King e1, rook e1, and also rook b5 without movement here. Rook a3, king f2, and also rook d3 threats by pawns, and also rook b4 defense, king e6, and king e2 threats by rooks, and rook a3, rook b5, and king e7 without time controls here, without precise move, or without develops by active. King must be active by kings here from this one, without king must be active here. And also rook b7 check, king e8, and rook c7. So it means without develops here. And rook b3, one move here, and king f2, rook d3 threats by pawns, rook c4 defense, and king e7, king g3, king d6, and king f4 without movement here. And also rook d1, rook a4, so it means king d5. So how many clocks? 11 minutes 42 seconds by Anish Giri and 46 seconds by Aditya Mitay. So black is dying seconds from this one. So let's continue king d5. And also rook e5 check, king e6, and oh. So why don't we accept king takes captured? Oh, without king takes captured, and rook a4 check, and king d5 without repeats here from this one. So let's continue. So king e6 here by this move here, and check. Oh, king e7 without king e7, so it means bad move by Aditya. So it means so the one's computer best moves is king to d5 without threats by pawns. So without threatening, or without rooks here, without threats by pawns, with idea to control two targets here from this one. So it means without idea to controls here. So back there is one is king e7, and also good move king e5 without develops here by good move check, good move by Giri, and also king f rook f1. Sorry, so it means I'm sorry, I forgot my thing. So it means sorry by wrong notes here. So it means rook f1 with the threats by pawns. Oh, threatening by pawns here without develops here from this one. And also check, king f8, and also rook a3 without develops here. So it means without defense, or maybe without defense here by continuations from this one. And also rook g1 with the threats by pawns, and f4 without develops here, rook f1 threats by pawns here, and king e4 defense, rook e1 check, and rook e3, and avoided rook f1. So it means, so in accept, why don't we accept rook takes captured, and also king takes e3 without develops here. So it means 3 versus 2. So it means same by pawns. I mean 3 pawns and 2 pawns here from this one. So let's continue. Go back is rook f1 avoided, and king e5, king e7, d5, rook d1, rook e4, rook d2, and rook e1, rook d3, and also rook a1. So it means without upcoming by check, threatening by check. So it means without check or kings here from this development. So it means develops. So 8 minutes by Giri and 50 seconds by Aditya. So fast as you can from this one. So it means fast as you can. And also check, king d4, rook b3, check, and king d6, king c4, rook e3. So it means without rook e3 here. So it means rook e3, capture this rook, and rook e4 check. Good move king d3, so it means king must be active. So it means 18 moves here, so it means many moves are very almost by moves here from this one. And also rook e4, rook a4, sorry, so it means without, sorry, got wrong notes. Rook a4, good move f5 without movement, and king takes d5. So if you capture, why don't we captured by pawn? And rook takes captured, so it means develops here. These are examples, or maybe without examples by develops here from this one, so it means without develops here. So these are determinations here from this one, so it means without determination. So let's go back. Here is king takes d5, capture this pawn, so it means no more here, so it means without, no more pawns by Aditya, so it means two pawns only by Giri, so it means 2 pawns here. So let's continue. Rook a3 check and king e2. Oh, king e6, so it means, oh, bad move. Bad moves. So the best moves is the best moves is rook to g3. That's by pawns without doubles. So it means rook g3 is the best moves here from this one. So the best moves is rook g3. So let's go back. Here is king e6 without threats by rooks here, and also rook f8, rook a7, king f3, rook g7, and also rook f6 check, king e7 and king g4, rook g8 and king f5. So it means without king f5, rook g7, dancing move again, rook b6 and king f8, and good move without check, king e7, and the last shot is rook a8, so it means the 91 move from this one, so it means this are cannot do it anymore, so it means resigned by Grandmaster Aditya, so it means losing by black. Oh, very strongest move here from this one. So the score from white pieces by Anish Giri is 93.4, highest score accuracy. So the score from black pieces by Aditya is 90.3. So the winner of this, the champion by gold medals from the Sherham Masters 2025 is Grandmaster Anish Giri from Netherlands. So it means congratulations from this one. Keep up the good works. So I will next analyze from this one to I'll speak in this Filipino and Cebuano. So the Grandmaster in round number 9. So it means round number 9. So the Grandmaster from this China Zhu Zhener, and also Grandmaster in Singapore is Jing Yao Tin from this one. So it means I will speak in Filipino and Bisaya. So I will analyze of these games. So please don't forget to subscribe. My new second account by YouTube channel is Mark Luwagi 17. So look at this one. So it means part 2 from this one. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So it means have a good day, happy Mondays, and bye bye.